It's a beautiful day, and the 5th graders at Richardson Elementary in Lee Summit R7 School District are outside doing something they've never done before. They're building wooden birdhouses.
So we were building these birdhouses using all of these new tools that we've probably never seen in our life. And it was really exciting because there were all these different new things and just learning the new stuff.
This program is where we bring a mobile build trailer with all the power tools that are needed to build an Eastern bluebird house. And that ranges from a disc sander, drill press, hammers, mallets, and hand drills and impact drills. All the type of tools that these kids nowadays but hardly ever have a chance to touch. And so to give those kids the opportunity to experience something in a positive environment.
It's really fun, and I love the experience. Just kind of learning how to make something new is really fun.
This project, which travels to each elementary in Lee Summit throughout the school year, started with a conversation that Jeff Buckner had with Lee Summit Superintendent Dr. David Buck.
The original concept of this build zone came along when Dr. Buck came to me, being the Industrial Tech Department chair, and says, we need to get kids in the elementary exposed to more of the hands-on, because the trades are hurting so bad. And not that this program is meant to force kids in the trades, but it's to have these kids have an opportunity to touch and use a tool that they're like, wow, I didn't realize that was so much fun, which down the road through our CTE program, it may happen, because trades make great money.
Mr. Buckner told Dr. Buck that he knew of a charitable organization that traveled around making bunk beds for families in need.
I said, we could come up with our own mobile trailer, our own mobile to take out to elementaries. And he looked at me and he goes, do it. And I went, oh. So we did it. And that's how it all started. And it took a lot of time, a lot of planning, but you cannot imagine, unless you're here experiencing the build, what it feels like to see a kid touch a drill, touch a disc sander, and they love the drill press. It's funny.
Once Mr. Buckner got the mobile trailer set up and equipped, he realized he needed help. So he reached out to the Lee Summit's Educational Foundation, which donated the wood. Then he needed volunteers. Often the volunteers come from the community groups like the Lee Summit Chamber of Commerce or Police Department, but they also come from student groups from Lee Summit's high schools. On this day, the volunteers are students from Lee Summit North High School's National Honor Society.
We're 20 of them that helped move the program through the assembly line of the students. And the one thing we tell them, they're wearing name tags. When they come to your station, Susie, come on, let's do this. How you doing? Johnny, that was a great job. And all of a sudden, these high school students see the smile on these kids' faces. And I tell those high school kids, if you've seen the movie Inside Out, that Inside Out, they're creating that core memory that those kids will have for a lifetime.
I think it's awesome to come back and see where I grew up and went to school and see that they're still continuing on and teaching kids how to be active and engaged and learn new things. So I really got out that it's like coming here and serving these kids is a really good experience for me, because I could see what we're kind of doing it for and what it means to really serve your community.
The volunteers not only teach the 5th graders the steps to creating a birdhouse, they also make sure they are safe while doing it.
They showed me where to put my hands, and then I knew my hands wouldn't get anywhere near the saw.
Some of these students may go on to work in carpentry, but even if they don't, they are learning skills they can use throughout their lives. Mr. Buckner designed this Build Zone project and the classroom conversations the students have about it with their teachers to support Lee Summit's curriculum, which aims to prepare students for their future career, no matter where their lives take them. And at the very least, the students will have some experience with tools.
I think I would want to probably know how to use a hammer for things to fix the house or paint up a frame or something.
Now, the program is so successful that Mr. Buckner has been presenting to administrators across the state of Missouri about it. And he's working on training Jeff Beckner, who will replace him when he retires, so the program can continue on in the future. For him, it comes down to making a difference for kids.
The thing is, there's 1,300 birdhouses built this year across the Lee Summit School District, 18 elementaries, all of them supported by the Lee Summit Educational Foundation, and all of them taken home with a kid that had an opportunity to do something that a lot of them never had a chance to do before.